My name is Brian Patrick Flynn, and I'm an interior designer. I think this is working. The Truax fixture was the first piece of lighting that I designed for Crystorama, and that is on purpose. The overscale globe fixture was something I couldn't find anywhere. So I figured, let's make that. The standout features of the Truax to me, first of all, are the scale, the fact that you can order something that's 30 inches in diameter. There's not a lot of things on the market like that. Then also the banding around the center. Usually globes are just solid. Having the band around the center offered in aged brass and polished nickel traditionalizes a little bit more.
Yeah, it just fits the look. Yes, jeans it is.
We offer different sizes and different finishes. You could put 3 of the medium-sized options over a kitchen island, or you could group together 3 or 5 of the smaller options over a dining room table. Personally, I love the idea of having a really dramatic entry by using the 30-inch diameter globe. This can be used just by itself. The 30-inch diameter is such a statement piece, you only need one. And it's made of acrylic, so it's a lot more durable. If you're afraid of having something that is 30 inches in diameter made of glass in your entryway, especially high traffic entryways, you don't have anything to worry about. This is acrylic. I think the fact that it's durable and it's also a little bit more of a traditional take on the globe because of the banding in the center, I think that really sets it apart.